How to fix Spotify local files on Spotify. Today, guys, I have the solution. How to do this? Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, you have to go and open settings of your phone, and you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Spotify. When you found it, just open it like this, and now you have to go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and now you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is go into Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.